What was it like when you joined the program? Because you were just all in straight away. There was no hesitation. I remember you just joined up straight away. What was it like when you entered the program?
So I didn't realize that the journey that it took me on it completely changed my life. So there's the physical aspect of it.
Yeah.
So I'm learning how to sleep and go slow. And you were encouraging us to actually move, not just lie down all day, but kind of listen to our body and all
Yeah,
of these things.
exactly. You got to find the right amount. You can't do too much, but you definitely can't do too little. And so that's why
Right.
that baseline brings you back to the core, the center of what's right for you. Yeah, continue. This is good. This is great.
Yeah. So once that baseline information clicked in terms of the physical aspects of recovery, I'll admit it took me a bit, but once I got that, that's when I started to see improvement. But then there was this other piece of it, which is the mind and body connection. So all of the work that we do with Gemma and even with you, it was like opening up Pandora's box. It was all these things that I started to realize about myself, like the limiting beliefs and even the belief that I had for years, thinking that I'm not a healthy person and I'm just not like everyone else. And
Mm,
if I go on a trip, I'm going to have to sleep and I'm probably going to get sick because that's just me. All these beliefs I had about myself that I had to untangle and work through and figure out the root cause. Like I said, it was the most profound journey to go on, but the most important one, I think, that you can go on in your life because it's your health.
yeah. Oh man, it's so funny, and you'll totally get this. You hit the nail on the head. So many people, when they join our program, they're like, "Yeah, I just need help with nutrition and movement, or it's just my diet, or it's just my sleep." And it's so funny because when they enter the program, they're like, "There is so much more to recovery. It's not just like this black and white 5 steps and off you go." And that's why I always say holistic approach, because it's different to everyone. And some people don't need those big breakthroughs because their life is kind of sorted on that level. But a lot of people, I'd say almost 90% of them, that kind of got you here in the first place. So you need to
Yeah,
overcome all that got you there in the first place.
that's right.
And
Yeah. And
yeah,
have compassion for yourself at the same time. I'm just very passionate when I talk about this because I truly believe that if I hadn't listened to my instinct, things could be different for me right now. But I had the willingness to be open to it.
mm,